I tried to make these ingredients as simple as possible, y'all. Everybody has a Walmart, right?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we are making vegan chicken pot pie. Let's get started. Now this video was highly requested from you guys, and by highly requested I mean 3 people. So for our chicken we're going to be using No Evil Foods. I don't think I've tried this yet. If I have, it was a while ago. I know I've had the sausage from them and it was pretty good. This was also at Walmart. I think it was about $6. It looks disgusting. I'm gonna show you guys right now.
Veganism.
All right, we're gonna put these pieces right on in this pot with some oil. Okay, this is still frozen, so we're gonna cover that for a little bit. We'll be back in like 2 minutes. All right, and we are back. I did flip this halfway through. Let's see, it's been exactly 2 minutes. All right, we're breaking apart now. Okay guys, at this point, let's go ahead and add some salt and pepper. I'm gonna throw in a rough teaspoon of sage and a teaspoon of thyme. Give that a stir. I'm gonna throw in some butter. I would say that's about 2 tablespoons. Also gonna throw in some flour to make a roux. Gonna throw in some fresh leeks that I also got from Walmart. Never cooked with leeks before, y'all, but gonna try something new. They smell really good. Gonna throw in about a tablespoon of minced garlic. 1 cup non-dairy milk. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Also from Walmart, we have all our veggies for our soup. This has potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, corn, green beans, onions, peas, and celery. All in here. I'm just gonna throw in half the bag. That all, ooh.
What is this? No Walmart. I don't know what that is. It's coming out.
Gonna throw in a teaspoon of Better Than Bouillon vegetable sauce base, this stuff, also from Walmart. I'm gonna cover this for about 10 minutes, let all our vegetables cook and all the flavors blend in together. Alright guys, and it's been 10 minutes. Let's open this up here. Smells so good. I'm gonna add another half a cup of milk so it has more of a soup factor to it. There we go. I've already preheated my oven to 350 degrees before I left you guys last. I'm gonna give this a little taste, see if I like it. That's really good. I have turned off our pot, and I didn't want a big pot pie, so I got these little mini glass bowls, also from Walmart. This is not sponsored. I'm just saying y'all can get all this stuff from Walmart. All right, I'm going to lightly grease each bowl. There was too much in that one, so we're just gonna put that over there. Finally bought a brush. This makes life so much easier. Now Walmart was all out of puff pastries, but they do sell them. This is from Publix. I'm a little nervous, y'all, so we're gonna let this sit out for like 10 minutes. Cause I can't unfold it easily and we don't need this to crack. It's been about 15 minutes and it's still a little stiff, but it is pliable. So I'm gonna add a little flour and then roll it out. Add some flour on the other side as well. Just copying off Food Network, y'all. I didn't measure, just, okay. Okay, yes guys, look at that. Much more pliable, still cold. All right, yay. Let's ladle our pie inside. All right, now here is the fun part. Let's figure out how we're gonna put this puff pastry on each of our mini pot pie. Okay, let's just, scissors. Okay, perfect. We're gonna tuck it inside. That one's ugly, but she's beautiful on the inside.
We don't judge here in this channel.
I'm gonna get out my brush from earlier and get some vegan butter. And we're gonna brush that on top. Now we're gonna make our 3 slits because that's what everybody else does. We'll see these babies in 30 minutes. All right, y'all, the pot pies are out of the oven and they have semi-cool for like 10 minutes. They're still hot. I am joined here by my friends. I gotta pee. This is Melody and this is
Keith.
All right, perfect. Yeah, ooh, Mr. Keith, I love it. Okay, but we all had the regular pot pies. So, like, all right, here we go. All right, we're gonna dig it. Ooh, I gotta put. Love the crust. It's very, yeah, flaky.
Very thick too.
You're on camera though. Hold on, come on. Okay.
I like it.
Yay!
Don't even miss the meat.
Oh wow. Okay.
The crust is thick, but it is good.
Okay.
It's good. Yeah. Can't have mine. That's...
Aaron, how did you do this? Watch the video.
Okay. Give you a little
There's
bit.
no meat in here?
There's no meat in here. Now there is a mock chicken in there. I don't know if you taste that and want to compare it.
Ooh, hot.
Yes.
Oh,
really hot.
so that's the taste I am tasting it. The mock chicken. This is like tofu.
No.
You know what I mean?
All right, let me go for it.
Right?
I like this crust, and I think the thickness would be like definitely wouldn't put the crust at the bottom.
You
Like, we were talking about that before. Yeah.
Damn.
Because some recipes put a crust at the top and the bottom. No, you could not.
It's good, though.
This puff pastry is good by itself. It's too hot.
Well,
You say
so
hot? Omnivore approved, y'all. So make this recipe.
Yes.
Hopefully this video is up before Thanksgiving. No, it's not Thanksgiving.
Christmas.
Hopefully this video is up before Christmas.
They be here for Kwanzaa.
Nice Kwanzaa meal.
Oh yes, yes. All right, I'm done rambling. Y'all see it's good. Marley's hungry. Bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.